Have you ever wondered how robo-advisors are changing the financial landscape? As the technology evolves, these automated platforms are revolutionizing the way we manage and invest our money. Here's how. Firstly, robo-advisors have democratized the world of investing by making it accessible and affordable to a wider audience. No longer is investing restricted to those with deep pockets or extensive knowledge. Thanks to their lower fees, even individuals with smaller sums can benefit from personalized investment advice. Secondly, they've simplified the investment process. With an easy-to-use interface, investors can input their financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. The robo-advisor then takes care of constructing and managing a portfolio that aligns with these preferences. Thirdly, robo-advisors offer personalized portfolio construction. They use complex algorithms to build and rebalance portfolios based on your individual profile. This ensures that your investment strategy is tailored just for you. Fourthly, they make data-driven investment decisions. Using market trends, historical performance, and economic indicators, robo-advisors optimize portfolio allocation, taking the emotion out of investing. Fifthly, they provide continuous monitoring and rebalancing. Robo-advisors don't sleep. They keep a constant eye on your portfolio's performance and rebalance it when necessary to maintain your desired asset allocation. Next, they emphasize diversification. By spreading investments across various asset classes, industries, and regions, robo-advisors aim to mitigate the impact of market volatility. Seventhly, robo-advisors champion transparency and education. They provide clear reports on portfolio performance and underlying investments. Plus, many offer educational resources to help you understand your investment strategy better. Eighthly, they offer automated tax optimization. Some robo-advisors feature tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax liability by selling losing investments to offset capital gains. Ninthly, some robo-advisors use hybrid models, combining automated technology with human support. This means that you can still get extra guidance or advice during complex financial situations. Lastly, robo-advisors are pioneering innovation in finance. They're not only changing how we invest, but also challenging traditional financial institutions to adapt and evolve. So, there you have it. Robo-advisors are reshaping the financial landscape by making investing more accessible, personalized, and data-driven. They've simplified the process, emphasized diversification, and provided continuous monitoring, all while promoting transparency and education. And with features like automated tax optimization and hybrid models, they're poised to continue leading the way in financial innovation. The rise of robo-advisors signals a new era in investing, one where technology and data reign supreme.